Hello and welcome back to Unity Noob to Unity Pro. This episode we're gonna be tackling this gravity field that I talked about last episode with this cube. Let's get started. Alright, so first off we want to enlarge the cube to fit this box. Alright, so on the X, let's do about... Yep, alright, that's good. That's good. On to coding. Let's get all of this off my face. Alright. So, first things first, let's look up some information. Here, let's look at this.
Welcome back to Blackthorn. Have a look.
Alright, so first up on the list, we gotta get a private. That's not how you spell private. Private. Rigid. Yep, rigid. That's what I wanted. Rigid body. Gonna name that rigid body. Alright, back to doing rigid body equals get component. Yep. Rigid body. Oh, you know exactly what I'm doing. Scrap it. I'm not using rigid body. Scrap it. I'm not using a rigid body. Scrap it! Forget what I said. I said nothing. All of this is a hoax. Boom. Okay.
Beat sensitivity pain fast with Sensodyne Rapid Relief.
I'm good. It doesn't. Why? Oh. Why does that work? Boys, we gotta jump back. It's weird though. It didn't work when I had the jump button on. Well, hold up. When I had this placed into here, it didn't work. Here, what? Watch. I'm spelling jump right? J-U-M-P. Yes. Alright, so it should work if I pressed, or if I press that. Oh, you're making me look bad. Why'd you start working all of a sudden? But, woo! We got a jump feature back, baby. I'm so excited over a easy peasy coded in secret. That's pretty. What the heck? Oh. Yeah. So I was at school just on my phone because that's not important. I was on my phone and I saw this video. I was just browsing around trying to find a video to help me out with what I was doing and all. I came across this video by Cortez. And oh my god, is it a lifesaver. This guy is the way to go. He's the real deal. So I got a whole new movement script called Movement V2 because this was a complete mess. So I just wanted to start off like this. So look at this. All right, so we got our variables up here. We got the speed, the turn speed, jump speed, gravity. We got all the good stuff, right? And so I don't understand quite why it's working now. I must have had something wrong in this one. Let's see, did I have this line? Transform.transform.direction, or transform.transform.direction. Did I have that here? No, is that why? I don't know. This one actually looks a lot different than this one. Also. Simple move, I learned, cancels out the jump. Like, so since simple move adds gravity automatically, you don't add it. Simple move does it for by itself. But move doesn't. But what simple move also does is not allow you to jump. So that is why I couldn't jump. Mystery solved. Oh man, I'm just so ecstatic. I'm so ecstatic that this actually worked. I really am. Oh man, now I just got to get the rotation on this script, and we should be back to normal, just better. So let me get that down, and we'll be right back. All right, finished up the code, and here it is in its entirety. So, like usual, we got the variables, of course. I serialized fielded it so I could see it in the inspector over here. We got our turn speed at 120, speed at 15, jump speed at 10. You know, the usual. Anyway, down here we've got an if state. I'm thinking about, because this is an update, so I'm thinking about creating a function, method, whatever, just to get all this out, but we're not worrying about that right now. So we got an if statement saying that if the controller is grounded, which is grounded is, here, I'll find it. It's better to see it visually. I mean, it's probably self-explanatory too, but basically it just tells if the character controller is, touching ground. And in it we have our move direction, which is vector 3, equaling a new vector 3. And see right here, I had input I get axis horizontal right here, but then we changed it to 0 to get the I think it was this down here, which we'll get to that in a second. But under that was the Y. We don't move in the Y, so it's 0. And then input dot get axis vertical, the same old stuff. But under it, move direction equals transform direction move. Hold on, I forgot what he said here. Okay, so basically, this localizes the object so that it's no longer tied to the world. So it's no longer thought of as being part of the world. It's its own thing, I think. Then we have the move direction, multiplying it by the speed up here. Oh, well, the speed right here, which gives it the good old speed. Under it, we get the jump function. We'll jump if statement. Basically, the move direction on the Y equals the jump speed. Self-explanatory. Then under that, we have the else statement. Basically the same thing, except I think this is what it's doing. So when we jump, we jump up, but when we're in the air, we can go forwards like that, or backwards. I think that's what that's talking about, or what it's doing. Matter of fact, no, I know that's what it's doing. And then under it, we have the same thing. This is getting the X and Z. Oh, yeah, okay, yeah, down here, this is the in-air movement, right? I'm pretty sure, yeah, that's what it is. So, because you can't, when you're in the air, you can't get the Y again. Because you're in the air, you're not grounded. So that's what this is. It's just when you're in the air, your X and Z times the speed. Then under here, we got my handy-dandy speed, or sprint. It's not, like, it works. But there's a better way. But that's mine. And then under it, we got the transform.rotate times the vector 3 up, input basically the same thing we had here, except we had to type this out because we didn't have a horizontal variable. But yeah, that's basically the same thing. It just deals with the rotation. Then move direction dot y. This is the gravity that I'm talking about. So we had to make our own gravity. We had to make our own gravity. And so here it is. Equals 20. I might mess around with it, see what else it does. But then under that we have the controller.move. Now, I'm so grateful for this video because it informed me of why I couldn't jump in my old script. Because I had simple move. I think that's why. And basically, simple move automatically adds gravity, but it also takes away your jump if you wanted to jump. I think I already said that. It doesn't matter. I'm repeating myself. And then it's just multiplied by the move direction and time by delta time. So there we go. There we go. I know this video was supposed to be about gravity, but then I found that video, and I got a better movement script. I don't think I'm going to end it there. I think I'm going to keep trying for the gravity real quick, and I hope I can get it. I hope I can. So let's dive back into it. Alright, I think I'm gonna end the video there. See, the gravity thing. Using a character controller, I have found that is pretty difficult to add what I'm thinking about with the gravity and all. Also, this video is getting a little long, since I made an entirely new movement script. But I got my jump back. But yeah, that took up that actually took up a little bit of time. So I don't want this video to be too long. Also, the gravity thing, I'll sit on it, see if I want to keep trying. But if I was using a rigid body, then yes, I would keep trying, because that seems like, more beginner friendly. But other than that, I mean, this video wasn't a complete waste of time, because I got my jump back. I also got a 10 times better movement script than I had before. 10 times better. Probably can figure out how to fix this up better, make it actually, look proper. But yeah, I'm just happy that I managed to figure out how to actually make a correct movement script. So that's a win. Next video I think is going to be the new series. Yeah, I think I'm going to think on what I'm going to do again. Well, not like do again, but I think okay. Here's the plan. Next video is going to be the new series. Then the Unity Noob to Unity Pro next video will come right after that. And that I'm going to think about what it's going to be. I need to think on it, but yeah, that's the plan. Next video is going to be the new series. And then this again. So this video should be coming out Thursday, so I think after this video comes out, the next one will be on Saturday, and then the next one might be on Monday, possibly. But yeah, I'm gonna end the video there. Like I said, like 5 minutes ago. I'm gonna end the video there. I hope you enjoyed. we are getting places. And I mean, this is just my first game. This game had no vision behind it. I didn't have a clue what I was doing before I made this or started making this game. So next game, I will have a clue. I think it's going to be a 2D platformer. So yeah, can't wait to start that. I think I'm gonna end this game soon. And then start the 2D platformer. Maybe 2-3 more episodes. Then the season finale. What? One episode. We're coming to a close. For this season, I'm gonna call this a season. Each game I make is a season. All right. This is season 1. Next season will be the game I was talking about, and then we'll go from there. That sounds great. It's like a movie, except we're going from worst to best. Most shows start from best to worst. It's unique. What can I say? It's just very unique. Anyway, I'm done rambling. I hope you enjoyed. I'm gonna do this for the first time. No, I'm not. Yeah. I'll see you next time on the new series. And then the next time after that on episode 9. Later.